Okay, what I'm working on here is a Saturn Vue. It is 2007, and we're going to replace the turn signal here. It doesn't cancel after you make the turn, so we're going to go ahead and remove. On this one, there are three screws on the bottom. I believe they're 6.5 millimeter, and if you don't have that, a 7/32 will work. I already took those out. We'll go ahead and separate the two pieces of plastic here. Then there is two tabs on the switch assembly itself, and it's these two tabs here. My hand will be in the way, but hopefully you can see those. Push those down all the way and it'll pop right out of there. Okay, when I pressed those tabs in, they just didn't seem to want to unlock, so I took two small flat blade screwdrivers and then pushed those tabs down. This will slide out, and then there is an electrical connection here on the back side. Hopefully you can see this. There's a locking tab on there. Push that down and it'll unlock. And so we'll go ahead and put our new switch on and then snap it back in. Our new switch here. Go ahead and put our electrical connection on. Go ahead and slide it in here. And then we'll go ahead and put our trim piece there on the bottom and the top. And go ahead and put the screws in. And get that snap back together, and I'll go ahead and put those three screws in there and then we're done.